We're here having a great time, Mooresville, North Carolina. Look at that. Griddle More hat, Griddle More hat. I got a few more. Everybody, welcome to the Griddle More Tour 2023. Come on. My name's Todd, if you're new. I live in Colorado. I've been cooking on Blackstone Griddles for over 10 years now. We've been doing the Griddle More Tour for 5 years. So super excited to do this. Blackstone, the #1 manufacturer of griddlers in all the world. Who's got a Blackstone griddle out there? Yeah! All right, I think we're gonna start out. Got the 36 on high heat because we're doing a stir fry. I've got chicken today for the sake of, making it go smoothly. And just gonna start out. This chicken is semi-frozen. But we're gonna have some fun today, folks. If I didn't get a chance to shake your hands, everybody, we'll have a good time. We'll be hanging out all afternoon, so we'll come and hang out and I'll visit with you here. Had to go get the Bashans today, baby. And the name of the game, a lot of times, first-time griddlers will always want to ask about temperatures. Pretty much high heat on stir fry. I mean, we're gonna cook an obnoxiously large amount of food here. This will be like 15, 16 pounds of stir fry. Pull out the garlic paste, baby. Nice little tube, looks a little bit like toothpaste. It's kind of fun to squeeze out too. I'm not gonna lie. So chicken is cooking good now. We're looking good. I'm gonna move everything over here. Don't be alarmed. This will be 15 to 20 pounds of food. You're gonna see me use a lot of oil, but if you break it down to serving, there's not gonna be a lot in there. You can do red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. There's so many variables. Like if I didn't get onion, not a big deal. You can get green onion. There's scallops. You can do shrimp. It's just on and on. Endless possibilities. And I doubt I've ever made the same exact stir fry recipe twice. All right, we'll start to mix things up. The magic's gonna start to happen here. I use udon or Hokkien noodles or soba noodles. Who likes zucchini? The biggest applause we've received today is for zucchini. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Give me an elbow. Good to see you. Everybody, if you don't know who John is, he loved griddling so much, he started a griddling class at his school. So, tell him about it. Go ahead.
I've got a channel called The Cookie Came Drummer John Kirks on YouTube. We're all on the Blackstone Facebook channel, so just check us out.
He is literally training the next generation of griddlers at his school. All right, let's go see what's going on the griddle. Noodles starting to look good. All right, let's get this going again. We'll keep seasoning it. We might have more than 18 pounds this time. I don't know, that's a lot of food. I like to put spinach in this. Yeah, it's a good way to kind of bulk it up, makes it look impressive, right? The Bashans. It's just another nice flavor. You can use soy sauce, light soy sauce. I use liquid aminos, sweet chili sauce, any of that stuff. This is just another nice option out there on the market. It's getting heavy. Yeah, I know. Just kind of decorate it. And put a little sesame seed on there, maybe some herbs, but sesame seed always looks pretty. Makes it look like I know what I'm doing.
Good, how are you?
I'm doing awesome.
Can I get one for my wife?
Yo, for hubby, you're welcome.
Please, sir.
Would you like one?
I'm about to switch it
What
out.
I'm talking about.
Woo! What's up, Jesse? All right, you want a Griddle More hat? Did you get one yet? I'll get you one. I'll get you a Griddle More hat.